Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed condo of the day here in West Deptford, New Jersey. And we're at Grande at Kingswood, and I have a 3-bed, 2.5 bath condo that I'm going to show you right now. Let's take a look. This property is located at 1036 Buckingham Drive. It's a 3-level condominium townhouse style. This would be the first level when you walk in, and it's got a very large family room here. And there's a gas log fireplace. Beautiful area here for a sectional couch. You could see how you could even extend that even further. And then this gives way to the patio. This property is one of the few in the complex that has a fully vinyl fence, 6-footer here, so you have maximum privacy. And you have this really nice poured concrete deck. And you can see here where at about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you got all kinds of beautiful sunshine raining down on you. A recent nice benefit to this property is that the HVAC system was recently installed. 2022, you have a new natural gas furnace and a new central air conditioning unit. All that's brand new, and the hot water heater was recently replaced as well. You have a laundry room with copious amounts of cabinets and space. And you have this really nice 12 by 12 flooring, and you have a half bath. Very, very nice. And you have your garage, has your electrical box in there. It's 150 amps, all in good condition. What's also really nice is you have all this hardwood in this property, and you have these oak treads. Banister has this nice curve to it, modern look, and it spills into this cranberry family room, and you could just see how big it is. The total square footage of the property is 2,342 square feet. You have windows all around. The sun travels around the perimeter all day. You have beautiful, copious sunlight in here. More hardwood, and you have the crown moldings at the top. Window seat to the south. Check this out. Who doesn't love a kitchen like this? You could have a seating area here. Right now, this will seat easily 6, but this could be expanded to seat 12 or more. And there's another seating area where that would be more for an informal type of setting. But you have all the space in here, 12 by 12 ceramic tile, windows all around. You got a center island, and you have a GE appliance package, and it's got the nice, it's not stainless steel, but it's got that new modern gray look, which is really, really fantastic. L-shaped countertops. These are granite all the way around, and you have the tile backsplash. This area here lets the morning sun in, and you overlook the playground, which is really a nice feature to this, especially if you have young ones coming in. Let's go up to the 3rd level. You have 3 bedrooms up here. The landing is all hardwood, gleaming. Let's start with bedroom number 3. Looks like it's never been lived in. This is bedroom number 2. The seller is currently using this as a home office. Nice closets, cable ready, good to go. Got a full bath here. Larger tiles on the floor. This is always nice to have the utility closet, open air shelving. And you have a really big master bath with the jacuzzi tub, very, very deep. And you have a stand-up shower. Double sink vanity, furniture grade cabinetry. Nice and neat. And the master, just a excellent use of space and plenty of it. You can see how large everything is. And to boot, you have a very large walk-in closet. Plenty of room for his and hers. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you for your continued support. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, or subscribe, and make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you get alerted whenever we have these brand new listings. It gives you a tremendous advantage in the marketplace where you're the first to know. It gives you an opportunity to bid and be the winner. This property is 3 beds, 2.5 baths. It's in West Deptford Township, and it's turnkey, in excellent condition. All you need to do is move in, and what makes this a premium property is that it's the coveted end unit. It's got the newer HVAC in 2022 installed, don't have to worry about that for a while. And the association takes care of the snow. Also, they fund the roofs when they need to be replaced, and they take care of the things that you think are typically the association's responsibility. It's a fantastic property. I hope that you make your appointment. These don't last very long at all. And as always, Joe Wiessner hopes to see you at the settlement table.